Hey guys, welcome to our channel Excel Your Day, where we supercharge your productivity with Excel tricks. So in our first trick, I'm going to show you a handy trick that will save your time and make your life easier. We are going to learn how to save an Excel file as a PDF. So whenever you need to share your data and reports or just want a portable version of your spreadsheet, this trick will come in handy. We select the page layout and then we open the page setup link. Then we can select the page orientation and set margins in the next tab as per our requirement and select OK. Formatting is complete. We need to navigate to the file menu at the top left corner of your Excel window. Click on Save As in the left hand menu. This will open the Save As dialog box. Save As dialog box, you can select the location on your computer where you want to save the PDF. In this, you can rename the PDF as per your requirement. As I am naming it Excel Your Day. This is the most important step. Under Save As Type drop down menu, we need to select PDF. This tells your Excel file to save it as a PDF document. Once you have selected PDF as the file type, click on the Save button. You can go and check out the location you specified. The Excel would have converted your spreadsheet into a PDF. In our trick number 2, we will learn how to quickly delete data from your spreadsheet. So you can open your data, and as I have opened it on my screen, select all the data that you want to delete with your mouse, and you can easily drag back the rows and the column that you want to remove, just like I have done in my screen. So if you want to delete the train arrival time, you can select it through your mouse and use the reverse function, and that will help you to quickly delete your data. So for our third trick, we will learn how to create our own shortcuts in spreadsheet. So in this, we can go to the Excel green ribbon, click on the right button and select customize the ribbon. Or else you can also go to the more command option from the top row and then access the quick access toolbar. In this, there are multiple shortcuts available which you can create and use it if you have to do same work frequently. Now I am going to select few options such as delete sheet column, delete sheet row, or format painters. These are the functions that I regularly use. Okay, once you have selected your shortcuts, you can add them to the quick access toolbars and select OK. Now once you have added, you will see all those shortcuts are appearing on the top left green Excel bar. Now just to show how this will function, I'm going to type a few names. Now I can select the data and apply the shortcut function that I want to do. So in this case, I want to delete those names, so I can easily do it using quick access toolbar. Now in our fourth trick, we are going to learn how to transpose your values. So I have taken a simple data set of 3 columns and 10 to 12 rows. I'll select the data, then copy it using Control C function and then go to the paste special. You can also use Alt ES shortcut. Then you can go to the bottom right side and see there's a transpose button. You can click on your data and you'll see the all columns have been converted into rows and rows have been converted into columns. This helps you to transpose your data with simple 2 shortcuts, Control C and paste special. So for our last trick of this video, we are going to learn how to add a zero before number. This surely helps people who work in accounts and finance function of the company.
6.5 hours later.
So here's what you need to do. So you can use the AND function, press equal to, then open apostrophe, type 0, then close and press and then select the number that you want to add 0 to and press enter. And simply by copying and pasting this formula to all the rows that you want to add 0 to, this function will help you do work of hours into minutes. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share our videos with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.